Ayun, Watchmates, bagong episode na naman tayo. So for this video, ang topic natin is about strap or bracelet replacement. Bakit tayo nagpapalit ng strap ng bracelet? Pag sira na yung bracelet or strap natin, kasi halimbawa wala tayong pambili ng bagong relo, pero gusto natin parang may bagong look yung relo natin, pamorma, o gusto natin halimbawa from sporty, medyo gusto natin maging dressy or medyo formal ang dating, papalit tayo ng strap. Tingnan natin tong video na to, subukan natin i-detalye. Alright, madali lang naman yun eh. Siyempre bago tayo magpalit ng strap o bracelet ng relo, maganda kompleto tayo ng gamit. So una, kailangan natin ito, ang alam kong tawag dito, band pusher, pin pushers. At syempre yung strap o yung bracelet na gagamitin natin, pamalit. Meron din mga clasp yan, tsaka yung mga locking pins. Ito yung gamitin nating sample, yung luma kong Pilot watch now. For so long a time, naka rubber strap yan, papalitan natin ng bracelet. Tignan natin yung magiging itsura nya after replacement. Make sure tama yung sukat o yung measurements nung strap na gagamitin natin. Make sure tama yung sukat. Basics lang naman yung mga sukat yan. Usually merong 18mm, merong 20, merong 21mm, merong 22, merong 24. Ito for this particular watch, ang sukat nito is nasa 21 siya. Yan, 21mm yung bracelet na to. Or actually pwede naman natin itong dalhin sa nagre-repair o technician kung gusto natin pa-replace. Gagastos nga lang tayo. Pero kung gusto nyo matuto, halimbawa, para at least hindi every time magpapalit tayo ng strap, pupunta tayo sa repair shop, magpapapalit, magbabayad tayo. Ito yung purpose ngayon ng tapes. Ilalagay natin yan dun sa band pusher. Kasi yung mga band pusher, matutulis yan. Yung pag gagamitin natin, chances are makudkud yung bezel natin. Pagka nagasgasan yung mga bezel, lalo pag yung mga ganito yung bezel may kulay itim, brown or gold, halatang halata yung gasgas niyan. So itong tape would protect your watch bezel from those scratches. Yan. Pero optional naman to kasi meron naman ngayon mga strap and mga bracelet ng mga quick release, no? Yung may mga pins na ipupush mo na lang, ma-adjust mo na, pwede mo nang i-remove, pwede mo nang i-replace. Pero kung ganito pa yung mga strap ng relo nyo, sana makatulong. Sige, tignan natin. Ito, madali lang naman yun. Hahawiin nyo lang yung bracelet straps, tapos itutulak nyo yung pin. Kung sanang matatanggal yun, hindi nyo na kailangan masyadong pwersahin. Simple lang, isang side lang naman yung kailangan yung tanggalin, kakalas na yung strap mo. Ganun din gawin natin sa kabila. Hahawiin lang ulit natin yung strap para lumawit yung pins. Tapos itutulak natin itong band pusher. Madali lang yan kung meron kayong ganitong tools. Effortless yan. In 3, 2, 1. Yan, black brushed metal bracelet. Usually mga ganitong bracelet may mga locking pins din yan ayan o. Kita nyo ba? Yung maliit na parang karayom. Yan, kailangan natin ng ganitong tool. Pin pusher ba to? Sa mga nakakaalam, paki-comment nga. Yan, ito yung gagamitin natin kasi pag pinipihit natin ito, na-extend yung pin nya na panulak. na yun yung magtatanggal ng mga locking pins na nandito sa bracelet na nakikita nyo. Yun yung nag-i-interconnect ng kada links eh. Yan, itutulak natin yun. Ipitin lang natin ng clockwise, tapos may extend yung pin nitong tool. Yun yung magtutulak ng locking pins na nandyan sa bracelet. Yan, sample. Yan, kita nyo ba natanggal? Ayan, oh. Ganon din yung gawin natin. Yan. Let's try that again one more time. Pero kailangan natin gawin to para makuha natin yung tamang sukat o tamang fit sa wrist natin. Kasi bracelet ito, hindi naman ito kagaya ng strap, yung mga leather na adjust mo siya ng mano-mano kasi may mga pin yun, may mga holes. I-adjust mo siya according to sukat mo.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quite so thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic, go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing, if the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity, come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus, living in a crisis, do you feel courageous, do you seek greatness, trust me you could